Welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I made a creamy chicken Dijon. So delicious. Let's get started. Alright, get a bowl. Now this is actually for the seasoning of the chicken before we start frying them. Now normally we'll put in like 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. But if you want to do it traditional way, now this is how I'm making it. Get about 10 leaves. If you're gonna get 10, put in about 1.5 tablespoons. That should be good. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Half a teaspoon of onion powder. Half a teaspoon of salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. You can use table salt or sea salt. And half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now just shake it all around. There you go. I just get some chicken breast, whatever you want. And what I did was I actually made a whole lot more seasoning because I'm using 6 slices of chicken breast because I'm actually making it for myself, my dad, and my brother. So, yeah, we already just need 4. So, I'm using 6 because we won't have enough for everyone. So, what you do is sprinkle the seasoning on top. Just like that. And then you turn them over and do the same thing for the other side. Oh, yum. Now get a frying pan. Turn the heat up to medium. And put some olive oil on it. About 2 tablespoons full. And just let this heat up, and then we'll fry the chicken. Alright, now we start adding the chicken. Now you actually fry these for about 4 minutes per side. Once it's completely cooked, then it's ready. these are done. Now just transfer the chicken to a plate. So just cover these with oil and then we'll get on to the next part. Alright, now we'll add 2 tablespoons of butter. Just melt it. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic. Just cook it for about a couple of minutes. I would definitely recommend turning the heat down. Then add 1 cup of chicken broth. A third of a cup of heavy cream. 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Now just mix it together until nice and combined. Now while you're doing this, you want to set your oven for some fries or whatever you have in place. You set this in it. Now we'll just have this on simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes until the sauce is nice and thick. After you had on simmer for a little while, the sauce is pretty much thick enough. Now we add about like a quarter of a cup to a third of a cup of Parmesan cheese. And just mix it together until it's melted. And now we turn the chicken to the pan. And I have this simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes and then good to go. So I'm just gonna have my chicken Dijon with seasoned thyme. Oh, look at this. Oh, yum. Well, I forgot to try my recipe for creamy chicken Dijon, as you can see. Oh, this is perfect. Oh my god, this is the better by my maid. So delicious. So thank you guys so much for watching the recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you for the recipe. Peace out.